Hey everyone, welcome back to the Analytical Coding. In today's video, we are going to learn about four important information functions which are easy but quite confusing. And they are is filtered, is cross filtered, has one filter, and has one value. So let's understand them and clear our confusions. Firstly, is filtered. So this function takes either a table name or column name as an argument and returns true when the specified table or column is being filtered directly. So here you have to understand what is meant by filtered directly. So for that, let us see an example. So here we have two tables. One is the customers table and the other is orders table. Just I have taken very simple one to understand these functions clearly. Okay. Now let us go back to our report view, and here we have three slicers, and here this customer ID is directly from the customers table. This customer ID is from the orders table and this category is from orders table. Okay, we are clear until now. Now let me show you the measure is filtered. So here I have added this measure into the cart. So what this measure say is filtered, and the column I am using is customer ID column from the orders table. It returns true if it is directly filtered. The column which is specified in its argument, if it is directly filtered, then it returns true. So now we have customer ID from the orders in this slicer. So when I filter it for any particular customer, okay, it returns true. Even if I select many customers here, even then we get true. So what this function requires is it requires a direct filter from the column specified in its argument. Now, if I apply the filter in category, so category is also an orders table category, right? But even then I apply here, I'm getting false. Okay, now we have relation between the customer's customer ID and orders customer ID. Now let us try to filter this. Even then, this function is returning false, right? Even if I remove this customer ID here, and in the table I have added customer ID category and amount from the orders table. So if I select a particular row here, it returns true because it is being filtered directly from the customer ID which is specified in the column, right? Because this customer ID is from the orders table. If I add the same customer ID from the customers table and let us filter it, what it returns, right? It returns false, right? Did you observe that? So it returns true only when that exact column is directly filtered. Example, slicer on that column, or visual level filter on that column, or even the page or report filter on that column. But it doesn't care about any filters coming from the related tables or columns of that same table as well. Okay, that is about is filtered. Now let us understand what is cross filtered, right? So it also takes one argument and it returns true when the specified table or column is cross filtered. Here in this function, it returns true even though we have filters from the related tables or columns of the same table. So let us understand that. So here I have a card, and let me add the measure I have created. So even here I have written the same column, that is cross filtered of customer's ID from the orders table. Now if I select a slicer directly from the orders table, what happens? These both return true. Is filtered returns true because it is directly from that column. Is cross filtered also returns true as it is again directly from that column specified, right? But if I filter this same orders customer ID from the customer table, you can see is cross filtered is returning true, but this function is returning false because we know that is filtered works only for the selected column, but whereas this function is cross filtered checks the relationships as well. It just checks whether the column or the table specified in its argument is being filtered or not. So this function returns true if that column is filtered in any way, including direct filter on the column, or filter coming from another column in same table, or filter coming from a related table. So these two functions, either is filtered or is cross filtered, only checks is it filtered or not, doesn't care about how many values. Okay, now let us go to the next function, that is has one filter. Okay, this function takes column as an argument and returns true when the number of directly filtered values on column name is 1. Otherwise, it returns false. You can understand this has one filter similar to that of is filtered. But the only difference is it returns true when this filtered value is only 1. Okay. Now let me show an example for that as well. So here I'm going to add the measure I have created. So here I have added this has one filter with the same customer ID. Okay. Now let me filter it for customer 1. So we can see all the 3 cards are returning true, right? Now when I filter the same customer ID for 2 filters, that is 2 customers, these 2 functions are returning true because these 2 considers only whether it is filtered or not. But this function has one filter is returning false because it requires only one filter. Okay. Now we know how it works. Now let us remove these from the direct column. Now filter it from the related table. When I filter it for the customer ID, you can see is cross filtered is returning true. These both functions are returning false. So these is filtered and has one filter both are same except that one filter applying. Okay. Now let us move on to the next one, that is has one value. So this has one value function, it works based on the cross filtered as well. So while has one filter works by a direct filter, right? So let us see an example quickly for that. Now let us again understand how it works. When I filter it directly for that column, this is returning true. If I filter more than one value, it is returning false because it also require only one value. So let us clear the slices from the direct column. Now let us filter the other column of the same table. When I filter for the clothing, you can see it is returning true, but has one filter is returning false because has one filter directly needs a filter from that column only. But has one value just requires one value in the customer ID. It doesn't care about from where it is getting the filter. So it needs only one value. So here it has only one value. That is why it is returning true. But if I select accessories, it is returning false because here the number of values in the orders customer ID are 2, right? So that is why it is returning false. Okay. Has one value answers the question, that is after all filters are applied, do I see only one value? If yes, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Okay. So now we are clear about these 4 functions. So is filtered or is cross filtered answers the question, is it filtered or not? Whereas has one value and has one filter answers the question, is there exactly one value? So not 0, not multiple, only one. If you found this helpful, please do like, share and subscribe for more Power BI and DAX content. Thanks for watching.